Hi guys, Irin Dezen here and welcome to my new acrylic pouring tutorial. Today I choose a very vibrant hot red color palette and I want to do a multicolor base using red, violet, magenta and carmine. If you haven't seen the video of my Dutch Pro with multicolor base and green colors, please check the link above. And now back to the painting. Before the blowing out, I want to spread the colors a little bit on the canvas. And I want to make a composition with 3 flows, so I blow out the base in the same direction where my flows will be. And while blowing out, I noticed that there's not enough color in this corner, so I add even more. Oh, the base is already very hot. What do you think? Let's start pouring the colors, and for the shape, the first color I use is deep gold. The shape is done. Now I add a little bit titanium white for the highlights. And for the flow, I decided to make a gradient of colors, so I start with gold yellow. And the next is Venetian rose, Persian rose, and light lavender. This is the custom color. I get it from blue violet and titanium white. Here is too much paint. I will remove it a little bit. And now I continue with my gradient. This is pearl white. Deep gold again. And more titanium white to make my flow shine through the base. Now I add more base color, red violet, near the flow to help the colors moving better. and even more highlights of carmine. I'm touching the paint. A little bit fixing the center of the flows with my breath. And start to blow it out. What do you think about the shape of the flows? I think it's really beautiful. Now I'm working with the details. I'm not very pleased with the center of the flows. I think I need to make it more delicate. And it's time for the finger swipes. First, I do the center of the flows. And I decided to make even more embellishments with the finger swipes. This part of process is finished. Let's see how it will dry. So here it is dry, but I think there is not enough contrast. The flow is too much hiding under the colors of the base. So I decided to circle the shape of the flow with gold marker. And now let me show you the final result. So here it is dry and not covered yet, but even already you can see such vibrant colors, such a hot color palette. What do you think? Do you like the colors? Do you like the shape of the flows? Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.